Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Trading with Tyler here. Just going over a trade alert that just occurred. I had an alert telling me that AAVE's global point of control was tested, and as you can see, we went through this level and swing failure pattern right on down. Nice move, nice short for anyone who's ready and waiting for it. But anyways, I just wanted to, what's the thoughts for this coming up, and are we going to go higher? And I just want to kind of zoom out a little bit and show you what's going on with AAVE in general, at least on the Bybit chart. So AAVE has actually been in a year-long triangle right here, okay? And so as you can see, it's just been range bound between this triangle. Let me get rid of this these right quick. Volume profile. Yeah, so we have this. We have an alert on our trend line for it to, we like to trade these ranges. We do like to long the bottoms and short these tops right here. And people sometimes find this difficult to do, to get in on, because it's hard to set alerts. Well, here's a little tip for you guys, and I do this quite often. I just call these preemptive alerts. So I set alert on my trend line initially, so when we break it, it'll alert me. But I also like to set a preemptive alert and put another trend line about 2.5%, 3% away from the edge. For this is just I can open this and recheck my technical analysis and make sure I'm on the right track with what I'm about to do. And so it's just a little trading tip I wanted to show you guys. For the time being, what's going to go on with AAVE, I really am not too certain, but we did have a bounce downwards, but taking a range pull from here. Let's see. I'm going to wonder. Okay, so the global point of control, and what I mean by global point of control, that is actually just like if you take the entirety of hide this. So the entire history of this asset, it's going to show you the volume profile, okay? And so that is a little bit different from what we're seeing there, and I can show you just by this, all the way over here. Holy. Okay, and so this is our global volume profile, all right? So yes, it did just touch this recently. And so I also paired this with these lines across here, because TradingView has yet to figure a way to allow us to look at these lines in the lower time frames. See, if I didn't put these lines across right here, I'll just show you. We're not able to see where those lines are, so that's just a way around it. Anyways, for the time being, I'm not certain what's going on with I'm not too sure what's going to be going on with AAVE, but we can just, I guess, maybe do a little bit of analysis here on the lower time frames and see. Okay, of course, we had this retest right there, and this thing can be set to run. Let's see. Okay, I love messing with my volume profile tool right here. I can see a lot of SR stuff coming up, and so what I do is just a little pro tip of mine. I'll zoom in real tight, and then I'll just kind of back away and look at my price action, what's going on with it. Okay, and of course you can see that volume node right there. Okay, so basically coming up into this, there is a low volume node where we'd overtake this. So we just squeeze this real tight for a second. Yeah, now I can just kind of assess everything. And you can see how everything just has, look at this lining up with this little node here as well, while there was, a little bit higher volume here. So coming through this range, here's a reason for why there's a little bit of a low volume node there, is because this was a quick fall through. So that said, where we are right now, I think we'll go a little bit higher up to, let's see. It's about 1.5% higher. Let's see. Okay, so if we're going to do anything, we're going to have to clear this area of resistance right here. And I want to hone in on this. Best way to do it is actually to put these. This is just my own way of doing this, okay? Teach their own. I go to the low time frames, and I will like to engage this line for a second. Let me find this line. Those verticals show me where I can do my fixed range from. Just kind of give me a better idea of zooming in. Okay, so that's about where I think it starts. Well, it looks like maybe like right around here even. Wonder why it's not allowing me to go over here. We need to go to the 15-minute. But odd. Okay, here we go. Yeah, AAVE's being funny. Turn this off. Extended. Any day now. Not sure why that's so much. Maybe there's just that much volume going through. It's pretty insane. View up. Let's see if it's underneath it or not. Yes, actually it's being quite supported there a little bit. Yeah, it's decently underneath it. It don't mean a whole lot though. Just to be fair. Move this now. So still, this is still being the point of control. Okay, so it's a good short to take on that, you know, honestly. If we were to come up into this, you know, here, I have to see something along the lines of, this is what I would have to see along the lines of, if they were to come through, I would definitely need to see like a, just, you know, a retest for a long, whereabouts, we can pull a fib from over here maybe. Oops, sorry, I never switched back over. It is a bit overextended there. Wow, it's thundering hard outside. Oh. It's just a crazy uptrend. It's so overextended, in my opinion. I think it just almost has to go down. Just in my honest opinion. I mean, gosh, how long is this? It's just from the second. My goodness. For 4 days, it's been on a rampage, huh? Or it seems like it. Yeah, 14. AAVE, that's a lot for AAVE to move. So, It's just a little over corrected, I would say, but hey, time will tell. And that's just really local, you know. That's local. And what's going on here in the I'll do from a blue one. There's my blue one. I like that better. See things a little bit clearer. Hide this for a second. This appears to be the top. Wow. So this is just a local top also as well for a parallel channel we've been in. So this is like another area of just deviation from here. So what's to the upside? 18%. You know, honestly, I think I want to take a short right here, to be honest with you. You know, let that wick cover my right there, 3%. What do you think? A ride down there. That's a nice risk reward there. Even here, it's 2. You know, but as long as I cover those wicks, I'm pretty happy. That's a, you know, yeah, I'd be. This is something that I think I want to take. So, hope you guys enjoy, and God bless.